Okay, good morning, my dear students.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. How are you all?
I'm fine, sir.
Fine.
Fine, sir.
Doing good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Then what
Yes,
else?
sir. Nothing.
Okay. Today we will discuss a new chapter. Today we will discuss a new chapter, that is acid, base and salts. Okay. Acid, base and salts. Take down acid, bases and salts. How are you, Tejal?
Fine, sir.
Okay. Acid, bases and salts.
Start ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay. So, acid, bases and salts. Today we will discuss a new chapter, that is acid, bases and salts. So, first of all, I would like to say about giving some introduction. What are acids? According to you people, what are acids, what are bases and what are salts? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಬೇಸಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್?
Which have more concentration.
Which have
More concentration.
more concentration about what?
Acid.
Acid. See, ಈ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, wait a minute. Okay, my dear students, see, what are acids, what are bases and what are salts? According to you people, acids. See, ಈಗ ನೀವೊಂದು ಲಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಲಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ? ಲಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಆರೆಂಜು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಆ ಲಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನ ನೀವು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಾರ್ ಇನ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್
Sour.
or
Sour.
Sour.
yes, it's a sour in taste. So the properties of acid. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ನೆನಪಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋರ್ ಇನ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್. ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ SOUR sour in taste. and acids ಈಗ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ UPS ನೋಡಿದಿರ ನೀವು UPS ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಓಕೆ ಆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಕಾರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ
Yes, sir.
ವೆದರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ವೆದರ್ ಮೈ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಯು
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಾವು UPS ಹಾಕೋತೀವಿ UPS ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆನಾ ದ UPS ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹಲೋ So batteries ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ what it will generate my dear students
Electricity.
yes electricity so electricity batteries ಇಂದ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ what is present in the battery what is
Distilled water.
oh distilled water along with the distilled water along with the acids. Acids. See, acids are sour in taste and helps to conduct electricity. Got it? Acids are sour in taste, helps to conduct electricity, and acids dissolves in water. Acids dissolves in water to produce hydrogen gas. Once again, I will repeat. Acids, we are discussing a new chapter that is acid, bases and salts. Acids antandre acids are sour in taste and helps to conduct the electricity which is present in the batteries. The acids are present in the batteries to helps to conduct electricity. Acids dissolves in water. Acids dissolves in water to produce hydrogen gas, okay, and acid will turns red litmus to blue, okay. The acid, how we come to know what is acid, what is base? By the help of pH value. P stands for potence, H stands for hydrogen, potence of hydrogen. So pH value, suppose it is less than 7 means it is considered as a acid. And when the pH paper, when blue pH paper or blue litmus paper, when it is dipped in the acid solution, it turns blue to red. That color change indicates blue to red. Suppose this color change indicates the acid. Okay, my dear students, artha agtidya ellargo? Are you all understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the properties of acid, what are the properties of acid? Properties of acid is, first point, acids are sour in taste. And second one is it helps to conduct the electricity. Next, it will dissolve in water. And it will dissolve in water. Why it will dissolve? After After dissolve, what it will give?
Produce hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen gas.
To produce hydrogen
To
gas.
produce hydrogen gas.
Gas.
So to produce hydrogen gas, and what is the color change takes place in the acid in pH paper?
Red litmus to blue.
Red
Blue
to
litmus-
blue.
Yes, blue color to red. Blue color to red. Suppose if we dip the blue litmus paper to the acid solution, so the color will change as blue to red. Once again, I will repeat. This is very, very important. Blue color to the red. Blue to red. Suppose, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, the color indicates the what is the color indication for the acid is blue to red. Blue to
red.
Blue to
Red.
red. So this is the color indication. And what is the pH value of the acid? What is the pH value of the acid?
-7.
Which is less than 7. Which is less than 7. Okay. So these are the some properties of acids. These are the properties of acids. And next, coming to the next aspect, bases. Bases. Sorry, I forgot to give the examples of acids. So acid. There are two types of acids are there. One is organic acid, another one is inorganic acid. What is organic acid then? What is inorganic acid? Yes? Anybody? What are organic acid? What are organic acids? Okay, take down few examples for organic acids. Few examples for organic acid. Okay, take down citric acid. Citric acid, and the formula of the citric acid is C6H8O7. 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 Next, malic acid. Malic acid, MALIC, malic acid. Malic acid, C4H6O5. C4H6O5. Next, tartaric acid. Tartaric acid. And the formula for the tartaric acid is C4H6O6. 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 Next, oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. Formula C2H2O4. 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 Next, lactic acid. Lactic acid, LACTIC, lactic acid, C3H6O6. 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 So these are the examples for organic acids. So these are the examples for organic acids. Okay, my dear students, are you getting my point? Are you all writing the formulas of the organic acids?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Roof, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Are you writing the formula, Mr. Roof? Roof, are you writing the points? Nida, are you writing my point? Nida Khanam, are you writing?
Sir.
Give the examples for organic acids, my dear.
Citric acid,
Okay,
malic acid,
okay,
tartaric acid,
okay,
oxalic acid,
okay,
lactic acid.
okay. And what is malic acid? Where do you found malic acid? Don't know? Okay, malic acid is found in vegetables and fruits, including apples, especially in the apples. We will found malic acid. Malic acid found in apples. Malic acid found in apples. Next. Bhaskar, what is oxalic acid? I mean, where you found the oxalic acid? Where you found the oxalic acid? Don't know? Okay, oxalic acid else sigad gotta spinach. Ee soppu anta martar gotta? Nida Khanam. Oxalic acid found in spinaches.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Soppu anta bartar gotta market alle soppu hogtiya. Soppu. In that soppu, spinach, and we call it as a spinach. In spinach, we will found oxalic acid. Okay. Next, what is tartaric acid? Hunse hennu gotta nimage tartaric? Hunse hennu. Yes, there we found a tartaric acid. Okay. So, these are the examples along with the formulas. These are the examples for the organic acids. Next one is inorganic acids. As what is inorganic acids, my dear students?
Sir, HCl.
Yes, very good. Inorganic acid means which it is prepared in the laboratory. If you want, please take down. Inorganic acids are prepared in laboratory. Example, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, phosphoric acid. So these are the examples. Tartaric acid found in grapes also. In grapes, tartaric acid is also found in grapes also. And inorganic acids are what? H2SO4 formula, that is a sulfuric acid, nitric acid HNO3, and hydrochloric acid. So in this way, the acids are bifurcated into organic acid and inorganic acids. Okay, do you get it? Do you all get it? Okay, so now today we discussed what are the acids, what are the properties of acids. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss bases. What are bases? Okay, so here the session will end, and thank you, and have a nice day to you all. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Sir.
Bye, sir. sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.